Hi, I'm Meg from Megabyte Memories Photo Organizing. I'm going to demonstrate how having a professionally organized photo collection will enable you to enjoy your photos more than ever. You'll be able to locate and view your photos with ease. There are many different photo editing and organizing programs you can use. Prices range from free to about $180. I can help you choose software that suits your needs and budget. I am using PhotoDirector 9 software by Cyberlink to demonstrate how your photo collection can be accessed and enjoyed. This software has many features and a relatively low price. There are a few different ways to view your photos. This is called browser grid. Photos are in a grid and the size of the images can be adjusted. This view shows one image at a time. Choosing Viewer Plus browser allows you to scroll through your photos. Now I'm going to sort my photos by capture date. That's the date the photos were taken. I've set it to show the earliest photos first. Next, I'll sort by rating so that my favorite photos with 5 stars are at the top. For this demonstration, I imported a sample selection of photos with fictitious metadata. Any photo that has had metadata added to it has a tag icon at upper left. When I move my mouse over it, I can see file information. I see the file name and the date the photo was taken. Notice that I name files starting with the date. The rating assigned to a photo is also visible and can be changed. Let's look at the tags for this photo. A tag is another name for keyword. This photo already has 3 keywords. There are 2 names and a location. I usually use a person's full name, but this is just for demonstration. I'll pretend this photo was taken at Thanksgiving, and I'll add the keyword Thanksgiving. To find photos, you can use names, keywords, or dates in the search box. I'm going to search for photos with the keyword biking. There are 7 photos with the keyword biking. Now I want to identify which biking photos also have the name Julia. There are 3 photos. I'm going to create an album for these photos. I'll name it Julia's Biking Photos. When an album is created, the photos are not moved or copied. They're identified as part of that album. This software includes facial recognition technology. When I organize a photo collection, I use different facial recognition software to name specific people. The software I use is faster and finds more faces, but this is still a great feature of this software. In this photo, 2 people have already been identified. Let's pretend the snowman is a person and add a name. I'll add the name Snowman. The name Snowman will be saved in this photo's metadata. Because of the metadata I add during the organizing process, you can use software to view and enjoy your photos, search using names, keywords, or dates, locate your favorite photos, make virtual albums, and keep new photos organized. Thanks for watching.